everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Hitesh and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be covering one of the frequently asked interview question, which is what is an open keyword in Kotlin. So this video is part of my ongoing series on Android interview questions and answers. So without further ado, let's dive into the explanation. So the things that we are going to cover in today's topic is what is an open class, open method and function, how it is different from Java, and what happens if you try to inherit it without using the open keyword. Let's start with the question, what is an open class? So in Kotlin, the classes are by default final, and if you want to inherit it into another class, you have to make it open. That means all the classes in Kotlin are by default final. Anything you want to inherit, you want to extend it, you want to override it, you have to make it open explicitly. Which means, for example, this is a base class which has a function display, and it is a derived class which is trying to extend the base class. But since this is, we did not use any open keyword in front of the base class, we cannot extend it. Therefore, you will get an error called cannot inherit from base class as it is final. However, if you see in this example, I have made it open and I'm trying to extend it now in the derived class, and I am able to do it. There is no error. That means you have to make it open. Similarly, if it is just a difference like how it looks like in Java and how it looks like in Kotlin. So any class, if you put a final keyword in Java, that means in the relevant or the equivalent code in Kotlin would be class tester, which means that you don't have to explicitly add final, it is by default final. However, if you make a class tester in Java with no external keywords, that means you are making the Kotlin class as an open class by putting the keyword open. So the tip for this open keyword is, because this is one of the commonly asked question in that interview. So you should be aware of the equivalent codes, how it is written in Java and how it is done in Kotlin. Coming to the next topic, which is how or what is open function and variables. It is similar to open class, where you have to put the open keyword in front of the function or a variable if you're trying to inherit or if you're trying to override them. For example, if you see this code snippet, I've made the class animal as open, which means if in the derived class dog I want to extend this, it will be easier for me to get the extension. There will be no error. However, there are two functions, two properties. One is the variable and another is the function. So both of them I've made it open. Therefore, if I'm trying to override both of them, I'm not getting any error, and I'm able to extend and I'm able to access the properties easily. However, if you don't make any of them open, that means they will be final in nature by default, and you won't be able to access it in the subclass, and you will get the error like sound in animal or make sound in animal is final and cannot be overridden. So when to use it? So whenever we want to inherit the class or its properties, be it function or be it a variable, we have to make that class and the relevant properties as open. And I believe by this you should be able to understand what is the open keyword stands for, and where to use it and how to use it. So that's pretty much for today, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions or topics you would like me to cover into future videos, feel free to drop a suggestion in the comments. I would be more than happy to create more content for you. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.